Introducing anyLogistix 341 with flexibility in production simulation and enhanced results comparison. Let's explore what's new. Flexibility in production simulation. Define multiple production lines in factories, each capable of producing several products. Just like in real life, set changeovers in a new dedicated table, allowing you to specify all the details. Explore the next level of detail to how complex product environments can be simulated. Specify every aspect of production. Set parameters for how factories manage their production backlog. Test risk-free with different production setups and decide which configuration works best at your factory. Prioritize orders with multiple policies. Decide if lower priority orders can bypass higher ones. Specify the way production orders occupy lines with a line allocation parameter. New output tables and metrics give deeper insights into production efficiency. Track new stats such as changeover cost, backlog time, and total reconfiguration duration. Add them to your KPIs panel for a quicker analysis. In the production orders schedule table, explore in granular detail all events of every production. New side-by-side results comparison dialog. Compare experiment results directly in anyLogistix. The new dialog lets you evaluate multiple runs or iterations in one view. Filter, sort, and even export comparisons to Excel in one click. External services panel. No searching and guessing when something doesn't work. The panel helps you monitor key connections and troubleshoot quickly. Try out the newest functionality of anyLogistix 341. Visit the website and read the release blog.